For years, becoming a fashion model followed a very controlled path. Agencies discovered you, designers approved you, and the public only saw the final image. But the internet changed something fundamental. Today, some models build influence long before they ever appear in luxury campaigns. They arrive with audiences, with personalities, with visibility that fashion itself didn't create. And few careers illustrate this shift more clearly than Alex Consani. This is Modelverse, where we explore how influence moves inside fashion culture. For most of fashion history, the modeling industry operated through a tightly controlled system. Agencies acted as gatekeepers. They decided who had potential, who would be developed, and who would be introduced to designers. Models were often discovered through chance encounters. A scout might notice someone on the street. A casting director might find someone through an agency portfolio. From there, the path was slow and structured. Models built their careers through editorials, small campaigns, and eventually fashion shows. The public rarely knew anything about their personalities. They were images, not voices. Social media quietly transformed this system. Platforms like Instagram created a new form of discovery. Now, visibility could exist before fashion approval. People could build audiences independently. They could share their personality, their humor, their perspective, and millions of viewers could follow them long before any designer noticed them. This shift changed the relationship between influence and fashion. Because influence no longer belonged only to magazines and campaigns, it could come directly from the internet. Alex Consani represents this new path. Before becoming widely recognized in fashion circles, she already had a presence online. Her personality stood out. Her humor, her confidence, and her openness attracted attention. Audiences connected with her authenticity. Instead of appearing distant or mysterious, she felt relatable. And that relatability built an audience. When she began appearing in fashion shows and campaigns, the industry wasn't introducing her to the world. The world already knew her. That dynamic is fundamentally different from traditional modeling careers. Fashion has always been about image, but in the past, that image was carefully constructed and controlled by brands. Now, personality is part of the equation. Models who connect with audiences online bring something new into the industry. They bring visibility that exists outside traditional fashion systems. Designers and brands understand this. A model with a strong online presence can amplify a campaign. She can introduce fashion to audiences that traditional advertising might not reach. And that influence changes how casting decisions are made. Alex Consani is part of a broader generational shift. Many emerging models today arrive with digital visibility. They understand how to communicate directly with audiences. They share moments from their lives, not just polished campaign images. This transparency creates a different relationship between model and viewer. The model becomes more than a visual symbol. She becomes a personality. And in the age of social media, personality can be as powerful as appearance. Luxury fashion is known for tradition, but it is also remarkably adaptive. The industry constantly adjusts to cultural changes. When social media began reshaping influence, fashion responded. Brands began collaborating with personalities who already had engaged audiences. Casting directors started recognizing the value of digital visibility. The definition of what makes a successful model began to expand. And figures like Alex Consani demonstrate how that expansion works in practice. The story here isn't only about one individual. It's about how influence enters the fashion industry today. In the past, fashion created the model. Magazines, campaigns, and designers introduced new faces to the world. Today, the process can work in reverse. The internet introduces the personality, and fashion amplifies it. This shift changes how careers begin. It also changes how audiences experience fashion, because now viewers can follow models not only during campaigns, but in everyday life. Alex Consani represents a visible example of this transformation. Her presence reflects the intersection between internet culture and luxury fashion. She did not arrive in the industry as an unknown figure. She arrived with a voice, an audience, and a digital identity. And that combination signals something important. The path into fashion is evolving. Gatekeepers still exist, but influence now flows through new channels. Sometimes it begins backstage, but increasingly it begins online. If you're interested in how culture, influence, and media shape the fashion industry, this is what we explore here.